So I fitted a new battery to this Lenovo laptop that I've got, and every time it charged, it only gets to like 93, 95%, and apparently it was out of calibration. There is other things that can cause it, like BIOS issues. Like you might have a BIOS set to only charge to 10% less than full charge, just to protect the battery and to save energy. But for mine, it was recalibration. What you have to do is, I don't know if you can see my batteries on. It looks like you can on the screen. Just basically fully charge it till it gets to like 96% and it stops charging because it thinks it's full. You pull your lead out and then you use it until there's no power left in the battery. And even press the on button a few times just to clear all the energy out so it will not turn back on. Then you plug it back in, the charger, and you let it charge all the way up to 100%. Now, if it stops at 96% again, do the same. Let it decharge, completely empty it, keep pressing the on button until it won't turn on, and then recharge again. Basically, you got to relearn and recalibrate the battery. That's what I did. I only had to do it once. I let it go all the way down, pressed the on button until it wouldn't turn on anymore, recharged it, and it went to 100%. So it does work.